See her through the mirror. I would stop waking you up. Wake up. Wake up.
Are you videoing this?
Yeah. It's cute. Sleepy, sleep. Come on, Tiffany. It is.
This little baby over
What
here
time is it in the morning?
and fell asleep later than you. And she's not crabby. She's sitting here eating a pancake and having the best time of her life.
I was awake at 12 o'clock.
Ow! That was my head. Hey! Why are you everybody beating me up? Ow!
I got a big pillow. Don't throw it at me.
Okay, I'm not gonna throw it at you.
You threw it at me once, so I threw it back at you.
I meant throw it at Okay, I'll be good, Tiffany. This, don't throw it at me. I promise I won't wake you up. I pinky swear. I pinky swear. Don't throw it at me. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna wake you up. Totally miss.
That hurts. No,
Oh no, that's the zebra. I called it.
that hurts.
Here you go, Kayla.
Hey, give me my pillow.
Oh. Ah. That was funny. Oh my god. I got a blue ball. Uh-oh. You told me, miss.
No, I didn't. I hit your leg.
Ethan, you're missing all the fun. Uh-oh. This is what I get for waking my sister up. Don't throw pillows at me. Ow. Hey, Kayla, you're supposed to be on my
I
side.
give them to you.
Oh. Alright, no more throwing pillows. I be good. I promise, Tiffany. The pinky swear.
Oh.
Oh, miss. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Dang, you better run. Ready when you are.
I'm good. Ow. This thing hurt. No. Seriously, so. That goes right there. Ow. Alright. I'm just gonna sit down. Hey, Kayla.
Oh, Jasmine.
I didn't do it. That bounced off me.
You still did it. Because it bounced off of you.
Excuse me. I burped. You want some cupcakes? I meant pancakes. You want some pancakes? Me and Kayla already had it. Hey, Adriana. Hey, Pootie. Okay, I promise I won't wake you up. Why are you guys throwing pillows at me?